Sometimes it's difficult to choose which look is more exciting. Your character tells the world who you are, but my beard speaks for itself. Best results come after a lot of hard work. And it takes perfection to get there, just like my beard. I like to keep my beard as perfect as possible. It's getting more easier, thanks to King CG. Moisturizes dry skin underneath the beard. Helps in shaping the beard. Lightweight and non-greasy to make the hair feel soft. And it smells amazing. After all, if you are looking at perfection, you need the perfect.
Hey guys, remember this? मैंने अपने Instagram पे पूछा था कि does anyone want a makeup tutorial for this look, and I got almost 75 to 80% people saying yes. So मुझे करना पड़ा, and as I promised, here you go. This Derma Vibe Hydra Cleanser, I've heard so much about it that I just had to try it and incorporate it in this makeup look. So let's see how it feels on the skin. ये इतना लाइट है और बिल्कुल भी स्किन पे हार्श नहीं फील करता. Wow, I have to tell you, this feels very light while washing the face, and I know that it's going to make me feel absolutely fresh. Again, I'd heard so much about the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion with vitamin E that I just had to try this in this makeup look. Because जब आप दिन का makeup look करते हैं, so you want everything that is light for your skin. So let's see how it makes me feel right after I finish my makeup. This moisturizer is not oily at all. This feels like a very good product for pre-makeup routine. It feels light and non-greasy. और थोड़ा बहुत बाल पे लगना तो जरूरी है. So I'm ready. Let's go for the look. Fill in your eyebrows with whatever shade that suits your face. I'm using a gentle dark brown, not too much, just enough for the ends. Don't forget to use an angular brush for your eyebrows always, because it helps you give it a little bit of a lift. Make sure your eyebrows are equal. एक ऊपर एक नीचे never looks nice. Take a light shade for your lids. यानी कि जो आप मैं lid पे लगा रही हूँ वो कोई भी light shimmery shade है. आप pinks का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, golds का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. मैंने यूज़ किया है a champagne kind of a color which has a little bit of shimmer. अब मैं अपने सॉकेट से थोड़ा ऊपर कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी अ वेरी हार्श लुक. तो इसीलिए मैं यूजुअली अपने सॉकेट के अंदर करती हूँ, लेकिन मैं इसको सॉकेट से थोड़ा ऊपर कर रही हूँ. एनी लाइट ब्राउन शेड, नॉट विद अ शिमर, इट हैज टू बी मैट बिकॉज वो एक फ्रेश लुक देना है. तो जस्ट इनफ अबव योर सॉकेट. जो फाउंडेशन आपकी स्किन को सूट करता है, स्टिक फाउंडेशन या तो क्रीम फाउंडेशन. यूजुअली स्टिक फाउंडेशन इसके लिए बेटर रहेगा क्योंकि बहुत कम लगाना है, नॉट टू मच एट ऑल, बहुत बहुत कम. और सिर्फ वो ही एरियाज को आपको कवर करना है जो आपको प्रॉब्लमैटिक लगते हैं, बिकॉज वी ट्राइंग टू गिव इट अ वेरी फ्रेश लुक. तो अगर आप अपने फेस को बहुत ज़्यादा बेस में फिल कर देंगे देन इट लुक टू हैवी. मेरे जितने भी कंपैरेटिवली डार्क एरियाज हैं मैं उन्हें थोड़ा सा कवर कर देती हूँ, बट एज यू कैन सी आई एम पुटिंग वेरी लिटिल ऑफ इट. इवन व्हेन आई पुट इट यू वोंट बी एबल टू टेल दैट आई हैव पुट एनी बेस. ये वो शेड्स हैं जो मैंने इस्तेमाल किए थे, अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना कट माई नोज with the darker shade. What I'm going to do is first just start with the bottom. I don't like it connecting it all the way to my eye क्योंकि that gives a very fake look. सिर्फ आधी नोज से नीचे जाते हुए depending on the shape of your nose आप उसे contour कर सकते हैं. Then use any light powder, covering powder. जैसे मैंने इस्तेमाल किया है ये compact. I think this is not the Face Shop, this is Too Faced. Yeah, this is Too Faced powder and मैंने सिर्फ हल्का सा dab किया है. Of course I don't want to make it too heavy, remember that. Now I'm going to take a black eye pencil. You could do it with any color pencil you like. Last time मैंने blue color इस्तेमाल किया था जो मैंने आपको look बताया था. Today I'm going to use it with a nice kajal pencil and I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'll show you how. Pull out your eyelid a little bit so that आपकी जो skin है वो बिल्कुल flat हो जाए और उसमें कोई crumbles ना आए और breakage ना हो line में. उसे अपने आँख जहाँ पर आपकी आँख ख़त्म होती है ऊपर की तरफ continue करिए. उसे break मत करिएगा because then your eyes don't look uplifted. Same thing on the other eye. Just a very thin eyeliner with a pencil. Do the edge and don't forget to pull it out. It helps me at least. And now for the mascara. I'm using the Sephora mascara right now. This I love because इसको लगा के आपको lash लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. So just put like a thick layer of it. Just put double layers of it so your eyes are wide enough और वो खुल जाएंगी आपकी आंखें. Now for the blusher. For the blusher, I'm using the Swiss Beauty palette. It's got lovely shades. First, I'm going to contour it with the light brown, just a little bit, moving upwards. Remember कि आपका brush stroke हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ जाना चाहिए. Just using very little of the contour color, and then I'll be using the peach shade just for the apples of my cheek. Don't forget you can always make the corrections with your little finger, but don't take your base off. अगर आपने बहुत ज़्यादा base लगाया है, be very careful as to how you use your fingers on your face. Next up, I'm going to highlight it. Same palette में एक highlighter shade भी है जो कि है a mix of a white and a pink. उन दोनों को mix करके I'm going to use it for my nose, my lips, and of course above my cheeks, and of course for my forehead. I'm going to do the same contouring color, the brown one, just to give it a little bit of shape, and then just gently put some highlighter on my forehead so it shines a little bit. There you go. I love it. Oh, forgot. Lipstick. I'm using the MAC Taupe. That's the shade Taupe. MAC company का Taupe lipstick shade है. And I'm not going to use any liner because I want to make it a very natural look. So I'm going to just follow the line of my lip. जहाँ मुझे लगता है थोड़ा अंदर बाहर है वो मैं adjust कर रही हूँ. With the lipstick itself, no lip liner. And yeah, I'm ready. What do you think? I should wear the lenses? Yes. I'm wearing the green lens from Fresh Look Company. It just opens up my eyes, so I like it how it looks on camera. So there you go. Oh my god, I love the Nutriderm Moisturizing Vitamin E Lotion and the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. It just made my face glow, and I love the effect even after I have worn makeup. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, huh? Bye!